Hello beautiful, welcome to the channel. Welcome to True Beauty Empire. So on this channel we do body enhancements, weight gain, weight loss and flat tummy. Anything body enhancements in general, that's what we do. So this is like an introduction video. This is my first video here on this channel. So guys, you're welcome. Please like, share my videos and subscribe. Most especially subscribe and follow me for more, because on this channel I'll be giving you guys effective recipes on weight gain, weight loss, body enhancement, how to make different types of body enhancement products, hips enlargement, butt and hips enlargement, flat tummy, weight gain with effective materials. So guys, do well to follow me on this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos and share my videos so that other people can also get to watch. So guys, I will see you on my next video.